Hello everyone, welcome to Big Style TV. Today we're going to talk about the amount of people did not make it into 2020. Over 8,220 people got murdered in Jamaica from 2014 to 2019. That's a lot of people, and just by murdering alone. In 2014, we have 1,192. 2015, 1,450. 2016, 1,350. 2017, 1,616. 2018, we have 1,287. Now 2019, 1,325. That lead to the amount of 8,220 people got murdered in Jamaica, and it is such a small place. This is ridiculous. Now, in 2019, we have 300 road fatality accident. 300. People need to be careful so much. There is so much murder take place, and in the past 6 years, that is just 6 years. Now, in 2019, let's talk about this 1,300. You notice that none of the figures I gave you is not under 1,000. Every year is over 1,000. What is, I don't know, the government? I know it's really hard, but I think the government have to come up with something, some tragedy, try to break it down. And the funniest thing about it, most of these murder take place in the community where they have the emergency, state of the emergency. No, when they have state of emergency, I don't think you should be having so much murder take place, especially in Montego Bay, somewhere in Clarendon. These places are in eastern Kingston. These places are very hot, you know. And for 2019, the amount of tourists who actually get thrown away in Jamaica, it's actually 10. Is actually 10, and this is May, and this is from May to June to July 23, 2019, and that's lead up to 10 tourists got thrown away. And the figure that I give you about the amount of murder in Jamaica, that actually